Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ruler in Google Docs to control margins, indents and tabs. First, make sure the ruler is visible by clicking View, Show Ruler if you don't see it at the top of the document. Next, to change page margins, hover over the left or right edge of the gray ruler area and drag the margin handles inwards or outwards. The document layout updates as you drag. Then, to set paragraph indent, use the ruler marker. Drag the top triangle to move the first line indent. Drag the bottom triangle to adjust the left indent for the whole paragraph, and drag the right triangle to change the right indent. This lets you create hanging indent to keep headings aligned. After that, to add a tab, stop. Click on the ruler where you want the tab, then press Tab in your text to jump them. To change a tab alignment, click the tab icon in the left of the ruler to cycle through left, center, right, and decimal tab types before placing it. To remove a tab, stop. Drag it down of the ruler. Finally, select multiple paragraphs. First, if you want indents or tabs applied to several lines at once, and use Format, Align and Indent indentation options for precise numeric control. And that's it guys, the ruler makes layout tweaks fast and precise. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.